Guys, so I wanted to just come on and show you guys. Yes, I am sweating like crazy because I'm working in my garden, but I know you guys like to see updates of my garden. Like some of you who was in my Facebook page, I showed you guys some of these things that started as little bitty babies, and I almost was going to throw them out because I thought, oh my gosh, it's not working right. So I almost was going to throw them out, and I'm going to show you guys what I have now. Obviously I'm in Michigan. For those of you whose garden is probably so much further than mine, we don't start planting things till later in the year because it don't get warm until a little bit later. So I just started what, May, like the end May, April, somewhere around there, and I had to start in my house at first, and then I just kind of moved on outside. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have. I don't have a lot of space, but what I do have, I'm just gonna share with you guys so you guys could see right here. And I just got really creative with the area because, like I said, I do not have a huge backyard, you guys. My backyard is kind of small, so I just kind of used what I had, you know. So I have squash right there. And like I said, a lot of this stuff is not growing yet because it's too early. I've got acorn squash, and I just put these right here so I know what it is. I got cantaloupe, I got eggplant, watermelon. There's watermelon. A lot of this stuff is going to go out into this area over here, and I'm totally okay with that. Here's my herb garden. I do need to do a little bit of harvesting as this stuff is growing a little bit too big. I use it all the time, every day pretty much, but it still gets quite large, so you have to harvest a lot. But of course I have basil, I've got rosemary, I've got parsley, which is just, it was watered, so I need to harvest this stuff, you guys. A lot of this have to be harvested. More rosemary. I've got peppers. I've got, what is this, tarragon. I've got cilantro here somewhere, but peppers. So my husband built me these things right here, but I know they do sell them. You could get them at like Home Depot, because I was gonna get them at first, but my husband was like, I can build you one of those. So I'm like, okay, yep. So that's what he did, and I absolutely love this. Back there's more watermelon, squash. There's cucumbers over there. There's some dill right there. Then I've got stevia. If you've never had stevia, you guys, this is so good. I love stevia. And this is Swiss chard, I believe. But here, I don't know, it's 100 degrees today, but it don't usually get that hot. But like my lettuce and stuff do not do well outside, so I had to get a greenhouse because I thought, I'm not doing this without a greenhouse because it gets bitter. I don't know if you've ever tried to grow lettuce, but it gets bitter. These are just little babies, which is probably messed up, but it's spinach, but I think it's little babies. These just got watered, so they're kind of, they'll prep up tomorrow. This is going to be, what is that? Jalapeno peppers, more basil. These were all, like, I just planted these just a little bit ago, like a few days ago. More cucumbers, more eggplants. We've got, ooh, look at, guys, there's a little pepper on there, so cute. So I got peppers, and I'll show you, this is my greenhouse right here. My son, my 17-year-old, bought this for me for my birthday, so I was really happy about that. There's like broccoli and stuff in there. Got strawberries in here, strawberries. We've got tomatoes, and like I said, it's really hot, so it wasn't. There's little tomatoes on there, more tomatoes, all different varieties. These are blueberry plants, believe it or not, but every year the squirrel will come and take it. So they even eat like this part, so that's why I had to get them in a greenhouse ASAP so that they can start to grow. Okay, this one was raised in the greenhouse, obviously, so this one is doing very well. Tons of blueberries in there. There's more tomato plants, and see the tomatoes are growing on there, little babies. These are carrots. You can see the carrot tops. I've done a lot of harvesting. As you can see, this, I don't know what's wrong with my lettuce. But let's see what else is down here. There's more things over here. I got a lot of tomatoes. Okay, and I've harvested a lot of this lettuce, so that needs to be harvested as well. I got another blueberry tree right there. There's more strawberry plants, tons of chives that I need to go ahead and harvest. Lots of lettuce that I need to harvest. These were from little babies. What is that? Oh, kale. It's gonna be a type of kale. This is another kale that harvests from babies. This is another kale. And What else? What is this? Another kale. This is peppermint. I had so much peppermint, and that's cabbage. You guys, I had so much peppermint. It took over my whole garden. So I had to get rid of it and put it in a container because that's what I had to do. So that's my little garden, you guys. I absolutely love it. We are most likely going to be moving to Texas once they just figure out some things with my husband's job, just a couple things. But next year, I most likely will be in Texas, and we're thinking about getting a lot of acres. So it's going to be so nice because I will be able to have a big space, like maybe an acre, where I can do all sorts of things. And I plan on having rows of vegetables and things like that. I absolutely love this type of stuff. It just makes me really happy. Burns calories. It's beautiful outside. My husband loves the outside too. He's out there doing stuff to the ground, and then our dog. So we just love the outdoors. But anyways, I just wanted to share. Oh, I've got another plant over there, some other stuff on the ground, but yeah, but it's just some other little lemon balm stuff and things like that. But let me know what you guys are growing in your garden, or what do you guys like to do. Or I also go to the farmers market every single Saturday. They have cherries now. They have all sorts of stuff. And then I like to go to the Asian market and get, like, they got the lungans, and they've got all sorts of fruit that's in season, the mangosteen, all that different stuff. And so I love that. But I'll you know what, I probably will do a haul tomorrow so you guys can see what I get from the Asian store and the farmers market, because this time of year there's everything. So yeah, so that's what I have. Like I said, if you don't have a lot of space, don't feel bad. I used exactly what I had, and we've been eating out of it every single day. I always love to use my herbs, my lettuce. I've been picking it every day, and I absolutely love it. But with that being said, you guys, I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that I haven't been posting a lot of videos because, y'all, it's summer and my kids are out of school, and my mom's here. So I'm doing what I can in between, but especially with me moving, you know, like within a year or so, I really want to spend as much time with my kids as I can, because they're going to be staying here for a little while. They got to finish college and all that good stuff, so they won't be moving right along with us. So so yeah, I'm gonna try to spend as much time with them as possible. But yeah, so that's it, you guys, for the video. Just wanted to pop on and say hello. I'll talk to y'all later. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.